Hi, my name is Justine Bussey and I'm going to take you on a tour of our new houseboat. Okay, over here is the command post where you drive the boat. And over here is like the living room area. And over here is the kitchen. The table. TV. Well, Lee, you're the bachelor, so guess what? You get the couch. There you go.
Hey, me and Brianna might get that room, and you might get your own room. Mom, me and Brianna might share a room, but Brianna, me and
You guys are called
Brianna, I'll show you what's in here. I'll think if you like that room. Here.
Let's find a bad room right here. Check through the second major size.
If you like this room, and I get that side,
I could do this.
The bathroom.
The bathroom.
Shower. Over to the shower. Nice.
The small toilet.
Okay, don't go for the first. Look at that refrigerator. Hold on.
Refrigerator.
Open the refrigerator. On the side.
Freezer.
Okay. Have a microwave, oven, dishwasher, trash compactor. Okay, now let's go to the other rooms. We have a large screen, flat screen TV, surround sound, DVD player, cable. We have satellite TV.
Or other rooms.
we could probably bring Bambi in.
Nice. And we have a TV in here also.
We do?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Television. With a nice view.
Of a chair.
And we have
Another room. With a television.
closet. Nice closets.
Another room.
Okay.
Second bathroom with another shower.
Another full-size bathroom
Full-size
with
shower.
a shower
And a toilet.
and toilet.
And the other bedroom. I want this one.
Other bedroom. TV.
Drawers. Whatever that is.
And you got the beautiful views.
Which we can't go outside right now because
Has a slide.
AC.
Beautiful views.